fans, supporters, friends, and family. Welcome back. It is your boy Chef Andre Davy, and today I woke up feeling for some tea, yeah? But this grandma recipe came back to me where my grandmother would boil lemongrass and orange peel, yeah? For some people, it is fever grass, okay? So she would bring this tea to a boil, yeah? And then she would sweeten with brown sugar. And even if I'm late for school, I had to finish this tea. Hey, you don't wanna get on grandmother wrong side, yeah? So you need to finish your cup of tea in the morning. So guys, see, now I'm able to share grandma recipe with you guys. I hope you enjoy and thank you so much for watching. See how hot that is, guys? Goodbye.